Hi everyone, we're looking at the Bushcraft carbon steel survival knife. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. Here's the knife, sheath, bell loop, and the extra bell loop. Okay, let's put the plastic away. Okay. So here's a knife. Let's take a close look at it. It has the black coating on it because it uses carbon steel. So black coating can actually preventing the rust, and it looks cool. The handle is very nice, holding hand. Perfect. Here's some spec about this knife. The blade length is 4.3 inch. The blade thickness is 3.2 millimeter. The total length of the knife is 9.1 inch. And the weight with the sheath is 8.1 ounce. It's a very nice knife. It's more expensive Moral knife. It's around like $50 to $65 range. Usually the Moral knife, like the standard one, costs around $20 or $15. But this one is more expensive because it has more features to it. Let me show you the standard one I have here. Like this one. This is a very standard one, costs around like $15. But when we compare those two knives together, you can see the difference in blade. The survival one has the wider blade, has more steel into it. It's actually thicker. Let me zoom in for you. It's thicker, so more blade, more steel costs more money, and this weighs much heavier compared to this standard one. Okay, and besides the steel it uses, and there's also other things comes with this survival knife. It has the very specific design sheath. Okay, let's look at the sheath. It has the sharpening stones on the sheath, so you can actually sharpen your knife on the field. And there's a fire steel. It's very good fire steel. It's large. Let me take it out for you. It's long in length and large in diameter. And it fits in the sheath perfectly and securely. Let me show you here. So basically when you insert the fire steel, it's very secure because of this clip here. It has the drink holes on the bottom. Knife can fit in there perfectly. Not coming out. No moving at all. Okay, let's look at the carry system. So it comes with this 2 bell loop. Okay. The way to put it on, you just simply, okay, let me show you here. Match the patterns, press in, and rotate. Yeah, let me see. Okay, so I believe that's in. Let me try it again. Okay, so here. Okay, now it's in. So when you insert the bell loop, you can actually, because the force is very strong, so you can carry it horizontally if you want to, like that. You know, it's very good, very easy. Or just carry it as vertically. Okay, let me see. I can take this one out. Okay, I guess I'll figure this one out later. But this belt loop basically does the same thing. The only difference is that this one has opening here, so you don't have to take off your belt then put on this sheath. But for this one, it's more secure. But also you have to take off the belt then insert to this in this belt loop. I prefer this one better, but it's always good to have both. More choice is better, right? So let's look closer to the blade again here. Alright, zoom in here. It's made in Sweden. This black coating also gives the knife more of a tactical feel, right? So overall, it's a very good blade and good survival system, but it just costs more money. I like it, but I don't dig it that much. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below.